Imagine needing a restroom in one of the world's busiest cities and finding a hole. Did you know that the way we design and use toilets can reveal a lot about a culture? Welcome to our journey through one of the most surprising and essential aspects of life in China: the toilets. To understand modern toilet designs in China, we need to look back. In ancient China, public toilets were common in bustling cities. These early restrooms weren't just functional. They reflected the societal values of order, cleanliness, and respect for communal spaces. Did you know that the oldest known toilets in China date back over 2,000 years to the Han Dynasty? That's right. While the Romans were famous for their baths, the Chinese were already developing sophisticated sanitation systems. Now, if you've been in China, you have probably faced the horror of the squatting toilets. But why did this become the norm? This can be traced back to practical and cultural reasons. In crowded urban areas, these toilets were easier to clean and maintain. Squatting was not only space efficient, but also reduced certain health risks. But are squat toilets healthier, or is it just a matter of cultural preference? One notable study from Harvard addresses that. Squatting is healthier because it helps your body work better. When you squat, your body's in a good position, as it makes a straight path for the food to leave your body. Fast forward to today, and you'll find that the basic squat toilet design hasn't changed much. However, the context and the technology surrounding them have evolved dramatically. You might be thinking, what's so interesting about this? Hold on to your toilet seats, you're about to find out. In 2015, China launched a toilet revolution, investing billions to upgrade and build thousands of public toilets nationwide. This initiative is reshaping urban life. Driven by concerns over hygiene, tourism, and urban sanitation, the Chinese government upgraded existing facilities and built new ones, particularly in rural and underdeveloped areas. As a result, China now boasts a vast network of well-maintained public restrooms. In China, the requirement for the number of public toilets in densely populated urban areas states that public toilets should be available within a radius of 300 to 500 meters, or at least within 700 to 800 meters. If we compare these numbers with the rest of the world, in the US, New York City has about 1,100 public restrooms, and in San Francisco, fewer than 100. In Europe, Paris and London have around 400, and Japan, being one of the most famous countries for its toilets, has over 3,000 in Tokyo and about 200 in Kyoto. This comparison is significantly amusing, as two of the most famous and populated cities in China, Beijing and Shanghai, offer 14,000 and 7,000 respectively. On top of that crazy number, imagine now that all these public toilets are free to use. This approach contrasts with many places around the world where public toilets often require a fee. Ever feel like you can't find a bathroom when you need one? In China, you're never more than a quick stroll away from a public toilet. So many that even your GPS might get a little overwhelmed. But China isn't just about tradition. In recent years, they've embraced some of the most advanced toilet technologies in the world. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Some public toilets in China now come with Wi-Fi, touchless controls, and even heated seats. China's smart toilets can even analyze your health data, providing insights on hydration levels and more. Japan set the standard for what is considered a futuristic toilet today. The first high-tech toilets were introduced by the Japanese company Toto in the 1980s. But China is now making significant advances in public restroom facilities, trying to catch Japan's early and extensive advancements in toilet technology. Now let's analyze a normal public toilet layout. Public toilets in China vary widely in architectural design. Generally, they can be categorized in the following types. 1. The booth-style toilets. Compact, often modular, they can be installed quickly thanks to prefabricated walls and floors. 2. Small structures. These are standalone buildings or pavilions designed to blend with their surroundings. They usually include modern materials like glass and metal, and are more spacious compared to the previous ones. 3. Integrated facilities. In urban areas, public toilets may be integrated into larger structures like shopping malls, transportation hubs, or cultural centers, offering a more elaborate design. 4. Smart toilets. High-tech, futuristic public toilets found in major cities or tourist destinations. These include smart technology systems. Their design is sleek and modern, incorporating materials like stainless steel and glass. But let's go to the wild side and explore a crazy toilet design in China. In Nanjing, at the Dezhai Plaza Mall, they invested nearly $10 million for 5 public bathrooms. Located in a bustling mall, this toilet stands out for its innovative approach and user-centered design. All the washrooms have open spaces with sofas, accessible lavatories, nursing rooms, and wireless charging bases. This amazing design was carried out by X Plus Living, a Shanghai-based architectural firm. The chief designer, Li Shang, stated, "My only hope is the project will long exist and become a sanctuary garden that is within the reach of every urban traveler." The concept for the spaces was the sanctuary garden, and it is a tribute to the increasingly distant spring under the environmental crisis. Abstract geometry and lines that are inspired by flowers, plants, and insects naturally become the decorative expression of the space. Their posts about the design on the internet went viral even before the project was open to the public. X Plus Living's design transforms the ordinary public restroom into a sophisticated, high-tech experience, setting a new benchmark for restroom design in commercial spaces in China. The future of public toilets in China promises to be a blend of tradition and innovation, reflecting their unique cultural values and rapid modernization. With the ongoing investment in infrastructure and design by leading architectural firms and technology companies, China's public restrooms are to set new global standards, combining cutting-edge technology with sophisticated aesthetics to provide a unique user experience. Would China surpass Japan's iconic toilet reputation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.